Hey y'all, I swear it feels like I haven't seen y'all in a long time. I've been on vacation for a week and I just got back and I'm getting ready to go down to Georgia to do some collab videos and see my friend. I will put her YouTube tag right here down below, but make sure y'all go follow her, subscribe to her channel. She does some dope makeup, some natural hair stuff, and she does a little bit of vlogging and everything else too. So make sure y'all go check her out and show her some love. But today, we will be going over how to clean your Cricut mats. If you watch any of my previous videos, my mats are 100% in need of being cleaned. I've had these mats since about December when I first got my Cricut, and they are in desperate need for cleaning. So this is gonna be a pretty quick video. All you're gonna need is obviously your Cricut mats. I'm using the Dawn dish soap method, so I have a small bottle of Dawn here, and we're gonna just go over to the sink and go ahead and rinse these off and clean them with some Dawn and make sure that they get cleaned off. So let's get over to the sink and get these things cleaned. So I'm lucky enough to have an actual bathroom in my craft room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on some lukewarm water and run the water over my mat and try to get as much of these little pieces off that I can before I add my Dawn dish soap. Alright, now that we have that done, I'm going to take a little bit of Dawn onto my mat and let's go ahead and rub this in. Rub this in and then turn the water back on and continue cleaning with your hands. Do not use a sponge or anything abrasive because you will pull your adhesive off. So just use your hands. The Dawn is very mild, so it will not mess with your adhesive as long as you just use your hands to clean your mat. And already I can see a big difference in my mat. This is my first time cleaning my mat. I have some lint on here, a little bit of dog hair, a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Alright, once you have it to your liking, you can just go ahead and just set it to the side and allow this to air dry. Once it's completely dry, you should have your stickiness back. Now I do have one more mat that I need to clean, so I'm going to go ahead and get this next mat clean, and I'll be right back when I get done drying off these mats. Right. Those mats are going to go ahead and dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. You want them to be completely dry. Once they dry, you will have your stickiness. They may not look new, but they will work good as new. Also, do not continue to buy the Cricut mats from Cricut. I mean, I love Cricut. I use their stuff all the time, but listen, Amazon has some third-party Cricut mats that work just the same, that are way cheaper. I will insert a picture of those right here as well. So just make sure y'all just do your shopping around before you go ahead and just buy everything directly from Cricut, unless they're having a sale. Like I said, it's been a while since I've seen you guys. I've been on vacation. I was in Gatlinburg last week in the cabins. I have a little mini vlog coming up with that experience on it, so be on the lookout for that. I will insert pictures of my mats once they are done, because it's going to take about 45 minutes for them to get done, and I'm also trying to pack so I can get them out of here and get on the road in the morning. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all ring that bell so y'all get notified when I drop some new content, and be on the lookout for what's coming up next, y'all, because I got some fire for y'all. And if you guys have anything that you want to see me do, just feel free to just drop a comment, let me know. I'll do a video. If I can answer it, I'll just shoot the answer right back to you. But if you need a video, we can do a video. I'll put up a video for you. I'm here for y'all. We learn together. I don't know it all. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes in my videos, but I do it so maybe you guys don't make the same mistakes that I make, and y'all can comment and let me know. We can learn together. But until next time, y'all make sure y'all stay safe out here in these streets. It's summertime, so enjoy your summer, and I'll see y'all in the next one. So this is how my mats turned out. They had their stickiness back. There's still a little bit of hair and stuff on them, but they are actually sticky again, which is what I wanted. So, yeah, the Dawn definitely works. Get y'all some, clean y'all mats, and get y'all stickiness back without having to buy more mats.